Bonjour class. So we're going to go ahead and do the practice together. Um, so what I wanted to, oh, there's your assignment that I'm creating. Okay. So when you guys are doing these practice phrases, you need to ask yourself a couple of questions. Is the adjective, or maybe just one question, is the adjective describing beauty, age, numbers, goodness, or size? If it is, if it's not, then the adjective it goes after the noun. If it is describing beauty, age, numbers, goodness, or size, then you need to put it before the noun. Okay, so I'm going to kind of I'm just going to keep this for you guys up here. Okay? I'll highlight it because this is something that's going to be good for you guys to remember and kind of go through as you're doing this. All right, so in order to translate these, we're going to do a couple together. I'm going to have you guys translate some phrases, and I'm also going to have you guys translate some sentences. We'll do a few of them, and then like I said in the beginning of the last screencast, the ones that we don't do here together are what you need to do by yourselves and turn in. And please check back, because if you do it wrong, you're going to have to resubmit it in order to get credit. Okay, and that's not trying to make more work for you, but that just functions as if we were in class and I'm walking around with the whole group and I say, oh, you did this one wrong, and then you fix it. Okay? All right, so the old house. My adjective is old. That's my describing word. So I'm going to ask myself my question up here. Is the adjective describing beauty, age, number, goodness, or size? Yes, it's describing age. So I am going to put old after house. Okay? Or sorry. I'm going to put old before house. So the house is la maison. I just said that I'm going to put old before house. I'm going to highlight this in a different color. We will do whatever, purple. Okay. I need to put, so old is describing age, and so I'm going to put it before the noun. So if you don't remember how to say old, it's up here, and house is feminine, so I need to use this version of VA. Okay? If you don't remember some of these words and you happen to have left all of your old French stuff at school, you can use word reference. Word reference will tell you the different types of masculine, feminine, plural, whereas Google Translate will not. So I would recommend using word reference. Okay? Let's go to the smart student. Okay, the smart student. First of all, is the adjective smart describing beauty? No. Age? No. Numbers? No. Goodness? No. It's not saying bad or good, it's saying smart, so that doesn't count. Size? No. So we are going to put smart after the noun. Okay, so the student is going to be l'élève. Whoops, sorry guys. Élève. If you don't include accents, that's fine. Smart is going to go after the noun, so we're going to put intelligent. I didn't indicate whether the student was masculine or feminine, so we'll just assume masculine. Okay. We will do one more random. Let's do the good elevator. Okay. So the good elevator. Good is describing goodness, so we're going to put good before elevator. So we're going to say ascenseur is elevator. Okay? Elevator is actually masculine. So what I have to do here in order to put good before ascenseur is the masculine version of good. And I can't have L apostrophe bon. That doesn't make any sense because bon does not begin with an adjective or a vowel. So I'm going to put le bon ascenseur. Okay? That one was a little bit difficult, so I wanted to do that one together. So now your job is to complete the little nephew, the interesting teacher, and the tall sons. Please keep in mind, for all of these, you need to ask yourself this question. Okay? We're going to do some translations as well, and we'll do some of these together. So the big dog is a little bit easier than the short staircase, so I'll start together with you guys for the short staircase. Short is describing size, so we're going to put short before the noun. So the staircase is going to be escalier. Petit is going to go before escalier. Whoops. Okay, and again, we don't have L apostrophe petit. That's not a thing. So we need to erase the apostrophe and put le because staircase is masculine. Okay, let's go ahead and do the next one. The young cousin is nice. So this is a little bit longer of a sentence. I wanted to show you guys how to do this one. The young cousin is what we need to focus on first. Young is part of age, okay? Beauty, age, numbers, goodness, or size. So we're going to put it before the noun. And if you guys don't remember how to say young, it's jeune. So le cousin is masculine cousin. We need to put the word jeune before because it's part of beauty, age, numbers, goodness, or size. Okay, so we have the young cousin so far. Le jeune cousin is, E-S-T, nice, sympa. Okay? All right. We are also going to do number 5 together. Her little funny dog is brown. Okay, so this is more difficult, but I wanted to show you guys anyway. Her dog is what we're talking about. So for her, we're going to put son because dog is masculine. Chien is dog, okay? Now we have 2 adjectives, so it gets a little bit weird. Little is describing size. Actually, if you want to pause the video right now and see if you can do this one by yourself, that would maybe be a good idea for a challenge. But then you don't have to. Okay. Son chien is her dog. Little is going to go in front of dog, so we're going to put petit. Funny is not describing beauty, age, number, goodness, or size, so it's going to go after the word dog. Okay, so right here we have her little funny dog. We need is brown. We're going to put a. And you guys could put brun if you want. That works. Okay, because we're talking technically about the dog's fur. If you also wanted to put marron, because marron is the color brown, that's fine too. Okay, but this sentence, when we have 2 adjectives next to each other, you're going to have to decide if both of the adjectives go before, if both of them go after, or if one goes before and one goes after. Okay, so now what you guys need to do is finish number 1 by yourselves and finish number 4 by yourselves. When you're done with number 1 and number 4, and don't forget to do your phrases first, these 2 as well. When you're done with all of that, please submit to Google Classroom and look for feedback because you might have to turn it back in after making corrections. Email me with questions. Please come to our class meeting. And if you would like some individual help on this because you think it's really confusing, you need to come to my office hours, Tuesdays at 3 or Fridays at 1:15. Merci. Au revoir.